Hello everyone, welcome to Zylostar new weekly market update with our traders Amir and Samer.
Happy New Year everyone, finally it's 2025. It's time for us to get back to work, and so it is for the market. Let's stay updated.
So equity market also faced pressure this week, and we had higher than expected sales by BYD.
Alright, new year, new market pump. Kicking it off with the dollar index, as usual. So exactly as we anticipated, the dollar index has moved up since the trend is up and we can see this ascending channel. Now the dollar index is retracing, so expectations are that the dollar index will retrace to retest this lower trend line of this ascending channel at the level of 108.5 or approximately that, because there is a good possibility of a continuation to retest this support here as well. But we're overall looking for a bullish momentum continuation. Now, going to Bitcoin, also as we anticipated the previous week, Bitcoin is consolidating. So went down, went up, still consolidating this channel, and we still are seeing it consolidating. Because the level of 100,000 per coin is pretty solid for one coin psychologically, right, as a resistance. So this is why we are expecting it to hover around for a good amount of time before it breaks to either sides. Now that's about Bitcoin. Going to NASDAQ, well, NASDAQ actually is consolidating, didn't really do much, continuing or retracing. Now from here, since it's consolidating, we'll expect a further consolidation before something happens to the markets and forces a continuation or a retracement to a previous support. So this will be it about the upcoming week. Stay tuned.
So guys, let's go with Zylostar and let's check the analysis regarding the gold market and the Euro USD market. In gold markets, guys, as we can see, has broken the downtrend line and now is in a resistance level. Before we said it may break this trend line from here, go into our resistance, and it's happened. And now in our resistance level, we are expecting the gold to fall down till 2597, which is also a very good support from here because it's in 4 hours time frame. That's what we are expecting regarding the gold market. Let's go together to the Euro USD market and let's see that the gold has broken the double bottom, the pattern double bottom. So he broke it, okay, from here and from here. So he's taking the liquidity, and is also, we can expect this as a support level, and it's very good support levels and strong. Breaking the support, what we can wait a retracement. So the market, he will retrace to this level from here, to this support from here, and it may, like this support, it may be as a resistance to the new price, or it can be as broken support and he will fall to the downside. That's what also we are expecting. So we are expecting retracement to this level from here and go down again. Thank you guys for watching us. See you next week.
Hello everyone, Happy New Year. I hope you enjoyed your holidays as we had a fantabulous holiday in Dubai. This is Amir Masood Amidian. I'm Senior Fundamental Analyst at Zylostar, and once again we are here to review the most crucial aspect of financial markets, which is fundamental and the reasons behind the movements. I want to kick it with the economic indicators. As you can see here, last week was not a crowded week on the economic calendar side. We got the PMI numbers for the manufacturing in the US from the both of the S&P and ISM institutes. From the S&P, we got higher than expected numbers, and as you can see here in December, the input prices surged. And by the way, we have a comment from the Chris Williamson, Chief Business Economist at S&P Global Market Intelligence. So US factories faced a challenging end to 2024, cutting production in December due to weak new orders and subdued sales, especially in exports, while confidence improved after the election. Hopes for regulatory and tax relief under the new administration have been tempered by inflation concerns and rising input costs. So this has led to a speculation that interest rate cuts may be less aggressive than anticipated before. From the ISM, as you can see here, some subcategories like new orders published higher, employment downgraded, and prices reached higher than November. Also, we got the initial jobless claims which appeared lower than the last period, and that helped dollar to start the new year strongly. From the FOMC members, we had a speech from the Fed's Barkley, and he pointed out to different things like inflation, companies' expectations, and tariffs. He said, I think core inflation is coming down nicely. Companies are more optimistic about the future of the economy, but they're worried about the impact of the future changes on their business. So also we got the Atlanta Fed GDP Now index revised to 2.4 from 2.6 for Q4. Current forecasts for real personal consumption expenditure growth in Q4 have been revised down from 3.2 to 3% following the release of recent data. Also from the Asia, China's central bank votes to cut interest rates. The People's Bank of China has pledged to cut the reserve requirement ratio, or better to say triple R, an interest rate at the appropriate time, sources said. Let's go and talk about the geopolitics. So, senior Hamas official said ceasefire talks with Israel have resumed and we want to reach a conclusion as soon as possible. And also, we had some horrible terrorist attack in US, Las Vegas, and New Orleans. Also, last week we got the news about Morgan Stanley regarding to Tesla, and also the BYD beat the estimated of the sales for 2024, and it was a very nice year for BYD. And also Morgan Stanley notes that in order to reach Tesla's slight growth target for 2024, the company needed to deliver at least 515,000 units in Q4, which it missed, as the 495,000 units delivered represents about 3% miss compared to consensus expectations of 510,000 vehicles delivered. Let's have a look for the upcoming week. So let's have a look for the economic indicators. Next week I want to start it with the US, because we are going to receive most of the important and crucial economic indicators regarding to the employment sector in the US. As you can see here, we are going to have JOLTS, or let's say job openings number in US. We are going to receive the ADP, non-farm employment change, and also initial jobless claims, as do we have it every week. And also we are going to have the NFP, which is the most important one for the Federal Reserve. Also, we are going to receive the FOMC meeting minutes for the previous meeting of the Federal Reserve. Is going to be published on Wednesday, 8th of January. For the Australian dollar, we are going to have the CPI number annually at 4:30 a.m. to Dubai time. As you know, our head office is located in Dubai. And also we are going to receive the CPI number for CHF at 11:30 a.m. So do not forget, if you want to increase your success rate in financial market, always mix fundamental and technical together. The result would be amazing.
I hope guys you enjoyed our information. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment.